In this video, we are going to see how we can drill down into sub-reports from our main report. So let's say that we have extracted the balance sheet report and we can see all the balances, but we know that some balances or some ledger contains even further details like account receivable. This shows the total, but if you want to show the individual customer details as well or go into the further report, you don't need to go back and extract it from somewhere else. We just hit enter and it will take you to the details of that. And as we can see, all the customer balances will show up here. Now, why it is showing only one customer? That might be because the other customers have already cleared this balance and only we need to receive from this particular customer. And if you want to drill down into the further details of this particular customer as well, just hit enter once again. It shows you the month by month summary report. Hit enter and now we can see the individual customer report with all the sales that we made, all the credit notes that we received, and all the receipts that we have made, along with the opening balances, the transactions during the year, and then the closing balances. So this is how you can drill down into the further sub reports directly from the main report. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.